This is a 2017 Malibu 22 MXZ pickle fork design. Docking lights, bow ladder, pop-up cleats. Color is metallic black and metallic Malibu green. Sitting on a tandem axle matching boatmate trailer with swing away tongue and brakes. G4 tower with tower speakers, spinning clamping board racks. Boat has surf gate, powered wedge, surf pipe, walkover transom, couple of seats on the back to be able to put your gear on. Let's climb inside the boat. As I mentioned, easy non-skid walk-through transom, permanent rain mat. Sorry, that's moisture on the ground. Full wraparound seating. Wakeview bench. Malibu. This boat has 218 hours on it. Malibu touch control. Steering wheel controls. 4-way joystick. Subwoofer. Dual batteries underneath that seat. Battery switch. Up into the spacious, deep bow. Plenty of cup holders. Monsoon 6.2 liter engine, 410 foot-pounds of torque. Hard ballast tanks on port and starboard with plug and play. The owners have equipment in there right now. Storage underneath those seats, as well as midship ballast and bow ballast. Here's the boat with the cover on. Swing away tongue with brakes,